Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering classes. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to use the leader command. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the quick leader command. Shortcut key for quick leader is QL. So we'll see how it works. Yeah, I'll take an object. We'll take rectangle. Now we'll take quick leader command. I'll give QL, enter. Now I'll specify this as a first leader point. Here you see specify next point. Here I'll specify the next point. Then again specify another point. Now this will ask you for specifying the text width. Text width I'll give 10. Enter. Now enter first line of annotation. Here I'll give rectangle. Enter. Now again next line of annotation, I'll give 230 by 500. Enter. Now again it will ask you for next line of annotation, but here I don't want any other line, so I'll say enter. Now if I click on this annotation and I move this annotations to some other place, you'll see this quick leader will also move along with this annotation, because both the items are interconnected. But in another case, I'll take quick leader. We'll show you another case. If I take quick leader and draw a leader here and say enter. Now suppose I came out of this command. Without giving any annotation, and I gave annotation by using the multi-line text. Here I'll take multi-line text and I'll give annotation. I'll type rectangle only. We'll change the text height. We'll make it little small. Give it 10. Enter. Now if you click on this annotation and move it, this quick leader will not move along with this annotation, because these both are separate units. This leader and these annotations are separate unit. So to make it interconnected, we'll have to use the quick leader attach command. Shortcut key for quick leader attach is QLAT. Say enter. Now select the leader and select the annotation. Now if you move this annotation, this quick leader will move along with this annotation. Now again I'll give quick leader command. Now here in this command box, you'll see this option settings. If you click on this settings, here you'll see this annotation. We'll go in annotation first. Here annotation type mtext. In this you'll see here mtext option. Now here it is given prompt for width. Prompt for width, it's already active here. Prompt for width is when you give the quick leader head, it asks for text width. So this is the option, prompt for text width. If you cancel this prompt for width, then when you take leader head, when you specify the points, it will directly ask for first line of annotation without asking for the width. Again we'll take quick leader, go to settings. Now we'll take this. Second is always left justify. Always left justify is when you give annotation, it will always start from the left side. Then next is frame text. If you take this frame text, then when you take leader head and give annotation, suppose here I take 23, enter, it will come in a frame, in a box frame. If you don't want this text to come in the box frame, again you will have to cancel the frame text option. Then the other option is annotation reuse. Here it is clicked on none. If I select this reuse text, reuse next, and say OK, here I'll give the leader head, give the annotation as rectangle, enter. Here the annotation has come. Again I will take quick leader. Again the same annotation will be repeated. As many times you give the quick leader command, the same annotation will be given. So to cancel this or to change the annotation, you will have to again go to the settings and select the none. Then next is leader line and arrow. First leader line, here it is given option straight and spline. If you click on spline, the leader head that you give will be a spline. The line of the leader head will be a spline. Then I'll choose this straight. Now here there is number of points. Number of points means here when you give the command quick leader and choose the points, here you can select the number of points you can give. Right now I am having 3 points, so here I'll give it 5 and say OK. Now when you give quick leader, you can select the 5 points and then it will ask for annotation. Again there is an option of no limit. If you click on no limit, you won't have any limits to set the points. You can give 2 points or you can give 5 points or even you can give 10 points. Then next is arrowhead. Here you can choose the type of arrowhead. Right now I am having this close field. I can take this dotted and say OK. Then when you provide this point, you will see this. There will be a dot in place of arrowhead. Then next is, here I'll take this close field. Then next is angle constraint. Here I'll take 30 degree and here I'll take 45 degree and say OK. Now I'll give here the quick leader. First segment I had taken 30 degree. So when you click here and provide this leader first point, then it will be at the multiples of 30 degree. It will be at 30, 60, 90. It will be at multiples of 30 degree. Then next angle I had taken 45 degree. So it will be at a multiples of 45 degree. So it will be at 45, 90, at a multiples of 45 degree. So I'll click it here, say enter. Again go to the command, go to the settings. Now next is attachment. Now here if I select the top of top line, I'll click on this top of top line and now I'll give the leader head here. I'll give the annotation. Now you'll see I had chosen top of top head, so you'll see this leader head line will be at the top of this annotation. Again we'll go to settings. Now if I choose middle of multiline text, I'll choose the middle of multiline text, say OK. Now here I'll give the quick leader, give the annotation. Now here it will be at the middle of this text. Then you can take middle of bottom line or bottom of bottom line. Then there's another option, underline bottom line. If you take this underline bottom line, then you will see this annotation will come above this leader line. It will be an underline for the annotation. So hope you all have understood how to use this quick leader command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.